Top 10 signs you know you're from Alaska. 1. Potholes? You call them seasonal fishing holes. 2. Summer clothes? Just fewer layers of flannel. 3. Your freezer's packed with moose, salmon, and berries. 4. You've blamed the northern lights for being late. 5. First snow? That's termination dust, not winter. 6. Mosquitoes are basically Alaska's state bird. 7. Milk costs $10 and you think that's cheap. 8. Every conversation involves a bear story. 9. Traffic, it's just a moose crossing the road. 10. The last frontier isn't just a nickname, it's your reality. What's your favorite sign you're from Alaska?